आज हम टपके हैं कैलकाटा एस्प्लैनेड न्यू मार्केट और मेरे साथ है शफी अहमद। हावड़ा का ट्रेन ले रहे हैं, आई मीन बस ले रहे हैं। हाँ आगे जाके बोलूँ। So the winter vacation at schools increased by a week. I was supposed to go home today so that I could join school from tomorrow morning, but because vacations extended, I planned to stay another day in Kolkata. My friend Ankita will be hosting me, and the plan is to go and see the Ganga Ghat. It was all last minute. Right now I'm in Havda Municipal Corporation. I waited so long for my Rapido captain to come. Very excited to go and see the Ganga Ghat. ये नाच रही है ये नाच नाच नाचो कर रही है। शर्मा गई। Hello people, here we are at Alan's Kitchen, Shobha Bazaar, along with Sanyal, and we are having prawn cutlet right now. Prawn batter fry. So I'll taste and tell how the food is. She's got a call.
This has no branches.
Oh, they do not capitalize, they don't have franchisees, they just have one opening. Loved it. It's not feeling like I'm eating
Something very
prawn.
heavy.
Yeah,
And it's made out of ghee, pure ghee.
exactly. So damn healthy and doesn't feel like you're eating so so heavy. Maybe like the non-veg version of that poha. Not poha. What they make something na in Holi?
Thekwa?
No, होली में जो बनाते हैं
Gujia.
कुछ मीठा मीठा होता है।
Gujia.
So उस चीज़ का non-veg version, but again one does not feel. It's very healthy, so do come and eat it. Bye. Bye. Hello. So today we are at a home, a historical home of a zamindar in Bengal. So I'm with Ankita, who will tell you why zamindars were more significant than a Raja figure in Kolkata.
Okay, so this is basically my sasural. It's an old house of Calcutta. Bengal never had the system, or much later after colonization, did not have the system of a very strong Raja, which unlike North India. So a lot of other castes, like we don't quote unquote belong from the castes of the Rajputs or caste of a zamindar, but the other castes could mobilize and make business, have business as traders with the colonial systems, and that's how they could build these houses.
So what we'll do is
And they would get a piece of land as something like
as a token of
as a something like a part of your salary, token, blah blah blah. which is
amazing.
required.
So there is actually a plot of land which they have, which is like 35 acres or something. It was actually more than 100 acres, but after land reforms, after India got its independence, many of it was taken into the government bank.
Yeah.
So 35 is what is left right now. So now Ankita will give us a tour of this place.
Okay.
And she will tell us whatever limited information she has about this place. Lol. So see you after 2 seconds. So here is Arun Davitas. He's a lecturer in the University of Westminster. So now basically modern zamindar.
What the hell? No way.
So he'll tell us about the second part, which is a storeroom. So yes, Arunda, what is this?
So this used to be called the place where you keep your provisions. not exactly cook, but keep your provisions. And they were stacked. Like this rack is basically to keep all your like groceries or fresh groceries. And then there was this pit where people would put in their buckets to take water or wash their utensils. And this entire structure was basically designed so that things could be stored for a long time. It's really cold, and it's also like it's one of the more dingier part of the houses. Everything would be cold, so things would last a little longer.
This was supposed to be a chimney,
Yeah,
right?
that was supposed to be a chimney. Yes.
Which has been removed, and that chimney would have an outlet, one
Yeah.
on the top, and this is from where the smoke would.
The smoke would come. Yes. A lot of this house has been cleaned.
Can you take us through the stairway? This is Ankita. What is this?
Myanmar teak.
Myanmar teak.
Hardwood.
Which-
It's really hardwood. They last for lifetime.
And its natural color is golden yellow.
Yeah.
This reminds me of the story by Rabindranath Tagore, The Lost Jewels, the house of Bhushan and Mani. This is the kind of stairwell they would have traveled upon. And yes, we'll explore that part again. You said that this house did not originally belong to the.
To this family, to the Dey family.
Hmm.
It was bought from someone from the family called Sen, S-E-N, Sen.
Hmm.
That's also another Bengali family, and they bought this entire
Zamindar family only.
Matlab, see, the thing was that these zamindars are not really landowners. These zamindars are actually people who could buy the lease of land from the British government or British officials, because they were the kind of the elite class with whom the British officials actually struck deals with. And sometimes these elite groups also help them set up their businesses in the city centers. So they bought the deal of collecting taxes. They never actually went to those places or stayed there.
So they were more sort of revenue collectors.
Yeah, they were more sort of revenue collectors or people who made sure that they have enough control there through through controlling someone more locally, and could collect the agricultural revenue. So they increased the agricultural output, but they never really did anything for the local rural development of all the zameen that they owned. So they rather subletted or subcontracted it to someone else to extract revenue. So they were pretty much the pillar of an extractive system, and this family is also pretty much complicit in all of that.
Okay.
Okay, so that's why they could also build enough.
I can
wealth.
see some beautiful paintings.
These paintings were actually classified. Like I studied them. They were like called style is called Company School of Art.
Okay.
So a lot of very low skilled European painters during the early phase of colonial rule. They came to colonial centers like Calcutta, and they were like second-rate painters who could never make a mark in Europe or in London or in UK in that time England. So they were prospecting for more career in the colonies. So they came here and they would paint things as per the taste of the local. I mean, like the colonial officers who were placed, or of the East India Company. So these guys painted these photographs and everything, which depicted a kind of life that the colonial officers would spend in the colony. Okay, so you will see, and they would glorify themes like war. Someone who is kind of, or a family, a Victorian family like the one that you're seeing right now, yeah, or war, like see, off to the frontier, off to the front, yeah. And it's like an idyllic. It depicts a very typical patriarchal life, Victorian life. So these sort of paintings became home decors, like to decorate homes. And when this home was bought, this home decors actually came with it. No one actually commissioned them from this family, but they were still there. And everyone just took like, okay, it's already there on the wall. No one engaged with them.
Okay.
They're just there.
But it's an important part of
It
our
has now become
modern
part of
history.
the larger heritage. It's not like something that was commissioned for any meaningful engagement. Because I wondered as a child that how would the people who inhabit this home relate with these pictures? They culturally they could not vibe with it.
Hmm.
But they saw that it is a symbol of status, like to have some Western paintings.
Hmm.
So most of the people in this home also worked for this company called Warren's, which was basically a mercantile company.
Okay.
So that's how things rolled.
So, Ankita, what is this?
This is the Bay Buddy family tree. So from where it's starting, I think that is the place from where it's starting, and for how long, I mean, who all are still a part of it. It's a family tree. It's a very common traditional practice in a lot of Bengali households who considered themselves as extremely important to have family trees.
Beautiful. This is a portrait of
This is
legit like sixth generation from Ankita's partner,
Ha.
who is Arunda. So
This must be some Arun's great grandmother.
उतने भी नहीं
Great.
दो बार ग्रेड था, so
हाँ.
that would be sixth generation. So you are sixth generation from her. This is a classic.
This is mahogany wood. My mother-in-law was telling me about this, that the color, if you polish it once, the polish remains. Plus इसमें वो नहीं लगता दीमक, तो ये वुड जल्दी खराब नहीं होता, इसलिए बहुत टाइम से चला जाता है.
And something else that uncle said was कि this is bitter to taste.
हाँ, इसीलिए इसमें दीमक नहीं लगता. Because it's bitter, it doesn't get eaten away that way. It's a very heavy quality wood.
And this is something which was very peculiar to the homes of zamindar in Bengal. And also this is not a solid piece. It is hollow from inside. So this carving is much more intricate than it looks from the exterior. And it's very peculiar, as I said, to a zamindari household. This window looked very unique. Like
I'll show you this also.
it felt like a story that I read, and that was based in France.
Air.
Ventilation, wow. Can you close it and open it once more?
If I close it. Now, during summers, you don't want the light, but you just want the air. So you can just do it this way.
Oh wow.
Okay? And ऊपर also you can just do it this way. And इसको लगाने का एक तरीका होता है जो मुझे नहीं पता. And दूसरा तरीका, because this house is close to Ganga, तो ठंडी हवा जरूर रहती है, और वो वाला ऊपर वाला रूम जहाँ आप रहते हैं it is cold. And winters में you just open it. ये पहले के घरों में बाउंड्रीज के साथ, मतलब ये घर है, इसके साथ वर्कशॉप, ये सब अटैच्ड होता था, ये पार्ट ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी होता था.
Okay. One more thing that we'll see here, by the way, a cassette player, which is something which I saw maybe like 20 years back when I was in nursery.
Very
Cool. ये बजता है?
हाँ, पर मैंने बजाया नहीं कभी.
कोई नहीं.
कितना अच्छा, ये पूरा नेशनल पैनासोनिक का उस टाइम का.
यार
कौन सी भी जगह था?
तुम JBL boxes ही बजा. ये वाला बताओ ना, how this opens.
मैं वो वाला बताऊँ, आई थिंक ये बाहर से लॉक है या कुछ, लेकिन
Imagine like 200 years back when Ankita would have opened this, तो अंदर जो आएंगे वो फैक्ट्री वर्कर्स होंगे, ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी के फैक्ट्री वर्कर्स, एंड
ऐसे
they would have come through this way and sat in all these sofas.
यूजुअली. ओके, ये इधर ऐसे बंद रहता है और ये आप ऐसे खोलते हो निकाल कर, क्योंकि वो वाला बाहर से बंद है.
Welcome Lord Dalhousie and Lord Hastings. This is completely unchanged. It is as it was maybe like 200 years back. So अभी renovate होगा, but this area is hardly changed. And by the way, this is in North Calcutta.
Shobha Bazaar.
Shobha Bazaar area.
Very close to Tagore's house in Jodasha. These have to be heated. इसके अंदर एक कमरा भी है. मगर ये किसका कमरा हुआ करता था?
हम लोग को बोलते हैं कि कुठरी घर
क्या घर?
কুঠুরি
তার মানে কি?
মানে জিনিসপত্র সব থাকে
Oh, this is a store.
আলোটা ওখানে নেই
ठीक है, कोई नहीं, लाइट नहीं है. कुछ दिखेगा नहीं तेरे को.
এখানে সব মালপত্র থাকে
अच्छा.
अभी इसका रेनोवेशन हो रहा है.
हाँ. ये फिर से बनाना पड़ेगा.
Oh, look at an अंग्रेजों का पेंटिंग.
এই বাড়ি 7 পুরুষ হয়ে গেছে
हाँ.
7 পুরুষ
He looks like a nawab, na?
हाँ. हाँ. That is because I think one of them,
এই
the great grandfather was also Nawab.
পিসিকে তোরা কি বলিস
Pishi.
बुआ
हाँ, बुआ.
बुआ का आकाश हो गया है
और
पेंटिंग करा है बुआ
हाँ.
Okay.
बुआ जी जो पेंटिंग है ना सब बुआ का
Yeah. She's one of the famous painters. One of I'm forgetting the bua's name. यही इसी घर से है. She was one of the first.
Look at this glass panel. Hello. Ankita, come here. Hello. CRT tube वाला TV. Our childhood.
মেশিন
দাস তোমার লেগে যাবে. এটা কি সুন্দর, এরকম একটা আলমারি আমাদের ঘরে হলো. These are
Some old
अलमारीज देख कितना सुंदर है.
Bed
चेयर.
similar to the one that भूल भुलैया की आवनी ने उठाया था. Yet untouched. A transistor, camera, and the entire dressing table.
টিভিটা তো খোলা এমনি খারাপ আছে এটা রাখা আছে এটা ঘড়ি আছে এখানে পেছনে
There's a wall clock there.
ঘড়ি আছে
टीवी कितना पुराना टीवी है ये, बचपन में बस काजू मशरूम छोड़ी हो ना.
Opening up.
Yes.
So this part of the home is called Thakur Ghar. So this is where pujas and everything used to happen. Right now it's not really well maintained, so it got closed. You can still open it, but it's a small room where the Kul Devta was.
In this case?
In this case, it's Raj Rajeshwar,
Okay.
which is basically the ego of the family. Raja Ram De. Raja Ram De used to come and sort of he was like that. It's basically a Narayan Shila, which was established here, and all the De families who actually collectively owned that Narayan Shila takes turns to sort of worship the Shila. So right now, because everyone's gone old, so the Shila doesn't come to this place any further. But otherwise, it's pretty much part of this family.
So people, the last lap of Calcutta, along with
Arunapol and
Ankita and Arvinda. We are going to explore the banks of Hooghly, which is a tributary of Ganga. It is very broad here because we are very close to the mouth of this river, where it will break into these tributaries and the great delta which we know, Sundarbans. So, and guess what? She proves that she's a colleague because we are going to do some professional conversation there, planning the entire schedule for teachers retreat, where she'll be staying with her best friend. Inshallah. Bye. We'll be taking a ferry on the ship that is coming. Hello Arunda.
Hi.
So that's the ferry we'll be taking. And guess the cost.
देखा टिकट
Oh yeah,
एक मत देना
it's just, you can see, 7 rupees. So damn affordable. I love Calcutta for this.
दाम बढ़ गया है, 1 रुपए ज्यादा हो गया, 6 रुपए.
coming from railway.
A ferry to from where did we start? Bagh Bazaar to Havra to catch my train from there, and with this beautiful couple, and they let me know that this is where their
Love story started.
love story started, which is a ferry, and so it's very fitting to call their love story a fairy tale. And damn, it's beautiful. This is like the 4th stop after getting on this ferry. Again, what was the stop when we got into it? Shanti Bazaar.
नहीं शोभा बाजार,
नहीं
बाबू घाट,
नहीं
अड़िया टोली.
no
How cute they are.
Bagh Bazaar.
Bagh Bazaar. So this is the 4th stop, and I wanted to show you some polluted water, but I focus more on the cute love story here. Damn. ये जो बन रहा है, what is this?
They are making a jetty. Like I think it will be a restaurant or something.
Okay.
जिसमें रेस्टोरेंट बन जाएगा तो don't worry, Miss Sanyal will be here first thing. बोलना है कि यहाँ मैं आपको टिप्पणी दूंगा, यहाँ का मोमो कैसा है.
Food connoisseur.
नहीं, बट अरुण के साथ रह के you get the best food at the most cheapest places.
Because he know places. And again, what was this point, Arunda?
It's a floating pontoon
Hmm.
for unloading like stuff. बहुत कुछ unload करते हैं. Like you will like if you take this ferry, long enough ferry.
Hmm.
The one that I like from even from Howrah you can take more ferries down south this river. Like this is down river, this is up river.
हाँ.
If you travel to down river, you will find more of such stops where vessels from neighboring countries, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, they come and park their ships. So all along this estuary you will find docking places. And probably 10 kilometers down this river is the Calcutta port.
Okay.
And the Calcutta port area has a lot of like places where tankers, vessels, oil vessels, they park their seafaring vessels. So it gets more interesting, like the river transportation, the complexity of the river transportation system. It really comes out if you go traveling down.
Is that also moving or are we moving?
We are relative motion.
It's not moving, Ankita. Beautiful though.
An illusion of movement, not moving.
There's so many lessons to learn from here, like, but I don't want to get philosophical. Did I pronounce it right? Yes. Chalo, bye.
अरे এটা একটা বানিয়ে দেবে.
পেয়ারা কত?
240 টাকা
হবে?